Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows computer. I'm going to show you two methods in which you can use to find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows computer. If you're trying to connect another device or computer to the same Wi-Fi network but can't recall the password, don't worry. Let's figure out how to find it. If you have a moment, I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to stay updated on all my latest videos. Start by clicking on the Windows search icon, then type command prompt and make sure to run it as an administrator. To view all the Wi-Fi networks, type netsh wlan show profiles and hit enter. Here you will see a complete list of all the different Wi-Fi networks that your computer knows. If you want to find the password for a certain network, start by typing netsh wlan. Next, type show profile name equals, followed by double quotes. Inside the quotes, enter the name of the network you need the password for, and then close the quotes. After that, type key equals clear. Then, use the pipe character and type find, followed by double quotes. Enter key content before closing the quotes again. When you hit the enter key, it will show you what the password is. If you want to export all your passwords to your computer and check them individually, you can use this command. Just type netsh wlan export profile. Then type folder equals c:\\. Next, type key equals clear and press enter. Open your File Explorer and go to Disk C. Here you will see all the Wi-Fi networks we just exported. Let's open the network we just checked its password earlier. Choose Notepad and select just once. Locate key material, and the password will be right beside it. You can see that the first password we found and the one we exported are the same. The second method is really easy. Just click on the Windows icon and head over to the settings. Click on Network and Internet and navigate to the Wi-Fi option. Click on Manage Known Networks. Right-click on the network you want to see the password, and click on View Wi-Fi Security Key to see the password. You can also click on Advanced Wi-Fi Network Properties to see the password and make adjustments to the Wi-Fi network. That's all for today, guys. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.